ready? Okay. What's up everyone? Hope you're all staying safe and healthy during all this craziness, and welcome back to our second video. Today we were planning on doing some suspension work on the Tacoma. We're gonna do the Bilsteins, the ARB Old Man Emu 887s. However, over the past few days, ever since our large earthquake we had here in Salt Lake, we've been having aftershocks. I actually started jacking the truck up and we had another aftershock, and right now I don't feel comfortable throwing this thing on jack stands to work on, so we'll give it a few more days before we do that. So in the meantime, what we're actually going to do today, since we do have all these WeatherTech bits and pieces, we're going to be doing some WeatherTech side window deflectors. Let's open this guy up so I can show you guys. Anyway, so here they are, the WeatherTech. These are the Dark Smoke front and rear wind deflectors. These should be like a 5-minute install. I've done these on my buddy's 4Runner and it was very simple. The benefits of them, you can keep your windows cracked when it's raining outside, you know, when puppy dog over here farts, so it doesn't smell up the truck. So we're gonna do these wind deflectors. Also, we'll be doing the WeatherTech front and rear floor liners to protect the interior of our Taco. Now, pretty much every vehicle I've had in the past, I always have a set of these in all my cars, trucks, etc. For the price, the protection you get for it, that's unbeatable. Now, I'm always tracking dirt and mud into my truck whenever we go off-roading or if I'm working on a farm. This will make my life a lot easier to keep the interior clean rather than having to go out and vacuum it out every single time. I can just pull these out, power wash them, slap them back in. These will be especially useful now, especially with the coronavirus breakout. A lot of car washes around here are shut down essentially, and you can't use their vacuums. So just being able to pull this out and spray them down will be huge. Anyway, so what we'll do is once I slap these in, we'll get some nice shots, show you guys the fit and finish. I'm hoping it's a perfect fit like all the other WeatherTech products I've used, but we'll see. Okay, you ready to install these? You have to earn your treats. I guess not. All right, let's get started. We're gonna start by installing the wind deflectors first, and we'll start with the front. So first thing we're gonna do is roll this window down. Clean the window off, make sure it's nice and clean. Once the window's clean, we'll do the same thing with the actual visor. And these will only go in one way, like that. Let's go and get these stickers off. Now keep in mind, the instructions will say that this has a double-sided sticky tape on it. It doesn't. So the 16 Plus Tacoma model will not have any adhesive. Essentially, all we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this in, and then it comes with a pry tool. We're gonna push it up, and that's that. And the easiest way to do this is start at the front, put it in the corner, pop it in right there, and then feel free to bow this like that, and pop it into place. And there you have it. That's pretty much it. Once we have it in there, we'll use the little pry tool it came with just to make sure that this is sitting in here properly. Okay, next up on the rear, same thing. Let's clean the windows up. Excuse me. Okay, we're gonna first dry fit this. Perfect. Now on the rear, we will have to use clips. Roll the window up. And there we have it. Visors installed. Good solid 10 minutes for both sides. And they're looking good. Okay, next up, let's do these floor mats. Now my truck has less than 7,000 miles on it. And as you can see, these floor mats are pretty torn up already. They're starting to curl up on the edges. There's a lot of wear and tear. And that makes Puppy Dog really, really sad. Let's get these guys out of here. Looks like that's a passenger. That's the driver. Now, as you can see, these are actually molded. So theoretically, this should be a perfect fit. The really nice thing about these puppies, not that puppy, is that they do come all the way up. So shit's not gonna go and get underneath them, hopefully. Now, normally I would vacuum this up, but I don't have a shop vac here. And like I said, all the vacuums and all the damn car washes are shut down. So we're gonna throw this in for the sake of the video. And then I'll go get myself a new shop vac here in the next couple of days. That's a pretty perfect fit. Okay, next up we'll do the rear. It looks like the rear comes as one piece. Now we've got the wind diffusers installed, floor mats are in. The fronts, they look amazing, they fit great. One thing to note, the factory rear floor mats were pretty much brand new. Primarily because I always keep my seats down for Harley for his dog bed, and I'll have some bags back there. Also, I am not super stoked on the fitment of the rear mat. As you guys can see here, some of the edges are kind of curling up. I know I can fix this using a heat gun, and I'll attempt that, but that's just one thing to keep in mind. If you do want that perfect fit in the rear, again, you might need to just let this sit out in the sun for a few hours or just warm it up before you install it. But overall, I'm very happy, especially since I really don't use the rear seats. Again, the fronts, they fit perfect, which is what I really wanted. Also super stoked on the rain wind guards, whatever you want to call them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it again. If you did like it, go ahead and drop me a like. Also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Over the next few days, we'll be doing the suspension on the truck. So I'll be walking you guys through that. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and I hope you have a great day. See ya.